Bundys Garage, Bundy here. Hey, today we're working on a 2001 Acura MDX. The required maintenance light is coming on, and I wanted to show you guys how to reset it. So with the car off, you have these two buttons over here, select and reset. And you're just going to hold those down. At the same time, you're going to turn your ignition on. Don't start the engine, just turn the ignition to the on position. While you're holding these down, take about 10 to 15 seconds. You'll see the maintenance light flash and then go off. And then the maintenance required light is reset. So let's do it right now. Engine is off. Got my fingers on the select and reset buttons. Turning the ignition on. There you go. Take your fingers off. Shut the engine off. Wait like 5 seconds. 3, 4, 5. Maintenance required light is off. The check engine light is on for a transmission problem, but we're not worried about that right now. That'll be in a later video. So that's how you reset the maintenance light on a 2001 Acura MDX. This will probably also work on 01 to 2003 to probably 2008. So there you go, guys. Have a good one.